That's actually mega wide, isn't it?
Yeah,
for a Corsa, that's wide.
It's good.
You guys are getting a right little sneak peek right now. So what have we done? What have we let ourselves in for?
Punishment.
Is it punishment?
But success.
It's going to be punishment, yeah, but is it going to be success?
When we're done.
Yeah, well, I suppose.
Great success.
It is going to be great success. So, what we're talking about, you guys probably already know by this title. Yes, we do have the Tokyo Drift Veilside 350 going on as well, project.
Oh, did you see that?
But, no, they can't see it
That's
in the
okay.
background. But we're about to push the limits of the Corsa VXR. We haven't forgotten where, obviously, the video started or anything like that. We promised that we was going to redo the old videos, which we're in the process of doing. But we also said we was going to push the boundaries. We was going to make something and make a stamp on the Vauxhall community, weren't we? And I think this is the thing that's going to make that stamp. So if you haven't already, smash that like button. Make sure you share this video on all social medias. And let's get everybody seeing what Rusty Autos is about to do to this Corsa VXR. Right from the very beginning, we said that we was going to do a big power build on Jack's car. This is kind of the start of that, isn't it?
Yeah.
But these things cost a lot of money, and I think by now you guys know that if we say we're going to do something, we are going to do it. This is one of those things right now that we are going to do. His engine's already out his car, so this is a great opportunity to start doing this bit, innit? He's not driving it, it's off the road. The 350's off the road, we're driving the van, which is going to be great. But we're thinking of putting the FGO on the road, aren't we? Yeah. So, but we'll see what happens with that. But again, we did promise that this was going to happen, no matter how long it takes. We do come through on our promises. They do cost money, so we are kind of limited in that sense because money doesn't grow on trees. I wish it did.
That'd be great.
But bananas do. Bananas do. So, bananas. What we're going to do is we're going to jump straight into this. Yes, we have a wide body kit for the Corsa VXR.
Yes. Makes me happy.
Yeah. But what they don't know is actually, we don't just have one wide body kit.
Yeah.
We've got two. We've got two wide body kits. We're going to show you one right now. We do have another one in the back of the van, but secret things.
Yes.
Secret things. So we do have the two kits. This one kit is going on Jack's. The other one is for something else, which you may see later on down the line. We may speak to you about it. But again, we'll come to that point when we come across it. We've got a huge theme for Jack's car, which is going to look incredible. So right here, this is the start of the build on Jack's Corsa VXR. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be good.
Can you see the excitement in my face?
Look at that face. So, I'm going to shut up. We're going to show you this kit and we're going to run through you exactly what it comes with. So, we have managed to get hold of two kits.
Two of two.
That we believe in the UK. Which is...
I like it.
That's quite something, isn't it, really, when you think about it?
Yeah.
We've managed to get hold of the two kits. So right here, the kit consists of a whole new front bumper, two front wings.
Yes. There we go.
Two side skirts. Two rear wings, which sit over the top.
Well, in a fashion.
And a rear bumper.
Look at it.
So this is actually designed to make it wide on the back, on the rear. Again, we may modify this kit, but we're not sure yet, are we?
No.
We just want to see how it actually sits. We're going to have to fit all this before we get everything all sorted, make sure everything all fits up where it should be. But in all honesty, let's just see if I can go down. I'm going to slut drop right here.
Oh, here we go. Did you hear the bones crack?
Yeah, my own. You can see there how much wider it is. It's a hell of a lot wider. Bear in mind that the lights on the Corsas is pretty much the end of the bumper, innit? On the front, because it just curves round. I like how we both just looked at the other Corsa behind us and just to double check that as well.
Well, you say the Corsa.
Yeah.
Just the Corsa.
But
they haven't seen it in this state.
No, they haven't. It is a bit of a sorry state, to be fair. But this is the extra section here, right here. All this, the side skirts match, Obviously the rear wings, Jack, do you want to just pick that up for me?
This?
Yes.
This one?
This one. You're about to see how much wider it gets on the rear as well. So
The light sits like that.
yeah, so you can see there, it's a massive, massive difference. That is a huge difference. So putting them to the car, we're going to have to cut the rear quarters, aren't we?
Yes.
No matter what, we're going to have to cut the rear quarters out. We've kind of put it up to it already to see how it does fit. Now, the front wings themselves, they actually replace the current wings that's there. So that is kind of a bonus. The side skirts as well, all connect together. The rear wings, they have to be riveted on or smoothed in, don't they?
Yeah.
But again, we're not sure what we're going to do with that yet. We just want to make sure the whole kit fits. I believe when we are fitting this kit, we are going to have to take off the windows on the rear, aren't we? And on the front.
Yeah.
The little windows, I'm going to show you quickly on this car right here. So we're going to have to remove this one, we believe. Excuse me. And this little one here.
Unless we can somehow feed it under there, but I doubt it.
But it's easier, I think it's going to be easier though, because this has got, I know for a fact there's a bolt right here, that, well, a nut that's absolutely awkward to get to. So, why the engine is out of jacks, this is why we're choosing to do it. Because then, yeah. No, it's not that one. It's
There isn't anything for this one, so
no.
we may get away with it.
Yeah, it's just getting the old ones off though. But again, it's going to be trial and error, isn't it?
I reckon I'm going to try it without taking the front window out. See what happens.
Yeah, we can try that. See what happens and see what goes off.
If I break a window, I'll break a window. It's alright.
It's alright, we'll replace it. It's fine. It's all about trial and error. But like I said, this is going to give us a lot of headaches. Hell of a lot of headaches.
I don't like headaches.
No, but we're already having headaches with this, aren't we? This Widebody, which we do have them. You guys have already seen the video. If you haven't, go back and look. The arches are all in here. We've got the decals for the side as well. We're looking at the wheels for the car, which expensive.
Yes.
We're trying to get the offset. It's going to sit around here, so it's going to be crazy. But, are you ready? This is exciting. This is really exciting times. This is just a video to let you guys know what's actually happening. You'll start seeing this being put on the car, test fitted, adjusted, and all that fun stuff. And shall we give them a little insight, possibly?
To what?
Little insight to. I'm just going to say it, and if we decide not to, I'll beep it out.
What?
I'll just beep it out. The fact that we may take moulds from this,
Yes.
and we may do our own kit
Yes.
off of this.
Well, we need to think of something to do with the front now.
Yeah, because it looks a bit. Eh?
I'm showing them that.
No, the bottom bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I think I've got an idea.
So what Jack's actually talking about right here is this section at the bottom. So there's not really any bottom bumper. Now if you look at that one right there, shout out to this guy who's having a forge, but you can see the rear little bit that sits on the bottom. This doesn't have it. And there's nowhere on the back either to actually fit it on. So if you look around there, you can see what we're talking about. There's
Usually
literally nothing
they
there.
join at about here.
Yeah, they do. So I don't know whether it's going to look odd or whether it's going to look. This is the thing, we're going to have to test fit it to figure out exactly what's going on.
Well, I've got an idea.
Go on then.
Come with me.
What? Here's one we prepared earlier.
In a fashion. If we could get, because mine don't have the brace here. It
So
goes
you-
across there, because the exhaust.
So you're thinking of getting a splitter to fit there?
Someone
or
make
something?
a bracket for me that bolts there and somewhere else possibly, because you get the whole crash bar that's got bolts in it as well.
Yeah, because a lot of people take this brace off, don't they, to fit the bigger exhaust on. Like you got the 3-inch Cobra, haven't you, on your own?
Yeah.
And obviously that rattles, doesn't it, when it touches it, and it's really irritating.
Yeah, I just took mine off because it irritated me.
A lot of people get the forge one though, don't they? Like the uprated actual bracket.
Yeah, but if I get a brace made that's for a splitter as well, and then have a whole splitter.
Yeah. Right, I'll tell you what we're actually going to do right now. We're going to stop this, we're going to unbolt that front bumper, and we're going to bring it over to here, because this front end's already off on this car.
Do we get the slam panel though? Because there is bolt holes. The slam panel's only there. I'm going to put it on.
Let's do it. That's actually mega wide, isn't it?
Yeah, it's
For a Corsa, that's wide.
It's good. 3 inches wider each side. Maybe.
Are you blind?
Maybe 4.
Are you blind? You guys are getting a right little sneak peek right now. A massive right sneak peek.
Can you see it?
No, no, they can't.
Oh, no. No.
Huge sneak peek.
What a shame.
So, this is going to get you guys a little hyped up just to see how wide this actually is.
Oh.
Looking at that.
It's a hand's width.
It's about, that's
That much.
I think we should just show them.
Should we?
Stop teasing them and just show. Yeah, let's just show them. So, wow. Okay. So,
You see it?
Yeah.
That's a lot wider.
So if we go through
But it's not sitting all the way yet. It has to get dropped down, but it's...
slightly, but look at that.
Yeah.
This is where it fits. Look at it. So obviously the front wing continues on and will continue on. So yeah, you can imagine how wide this thing's going to be.
Here.
Yeah, it's going to be wide. It's going to be so much wider. It's going to look amazing though. So you can just see there the fitment. This is what we was talking about the bottom. Like if you look at the bottom here, it kind of just goes into nowhere. That's really high, but the thing is,
There's no engine in there.
I know there's no engine in there, but at the same time there's not much drop as well on the front. So we're going to have to figure something out with that, I reckon.
I've got a plan.
We'll figure something out, but you can see major intercooler exposure right here. So we're going to have a massive intercooler anyway. The gill slits are there, but again, we're not telling them.
Nope.
So this is a huge opportunity for us to get hold of 2 of these kits. The only 2 that's supposed to be in the UK. Maybe more, there may be more, we're not entirely sure. But we're led to believe that there is only 2. There was never made in this country either. So Jack's going to put that bonnet down.
Not fully.
Wow, it's going to look so aggressive. Honestly, it's going to look so aggressive.
It's actually a decent fitment as well.
It is quite a good fitment, in all honesty.
Who needs one of them?
We're never going to break down anyway. Vauxhalls don't break.
Yeah.
Vauxhalls don't break.
Never break.
Never. Vauxhalls don't break. That is a little sneak preview to you guys. Like, that actually looks insane. There's going to be 2 insane cars. Like, we obviously want... Oops, I'm knocking everything out. We obviously want to be taking these cars to a lot of car shows. So obviously when this is done, we'll be at pretty much every single Vauxhall show as well. When the 350 is done, we'll be at a lot more car shows as well. So hopefully we'll start seeing...
I took the screw out, it'll come off.
Well, you'll see us a lot more at shows. Like, obviously it's alright seeing us through a camera, but we want to interact with you guys, and I think you guys will absolutely love these cars when they're done. You can see these cars in person. We're going to put a lot of effort into these, and yeah, honestly, sincerely appreciate you guys coming and watching this. If you guys have come back from the old videos, again, sincerely appreciate it. Corsa videos are coming back. They are going to be all new. They're all going to be fresh. You're going to come along for this massive build, and yeah, things have changed a lot for us. Started off doing videos on a driveway to having 2 units, forging cars, building wide bodies. We've got a Fast and Furious replica being built, and now we've got a Widebody Corsa VXR being built.
Yeah, not just wide body.
See, the thing is though, this is still not like sank in yet. We're going to be building a high-powered Widebody Corsa VXR.
Yeah, I know.
That is, and we've got...
I know it's happening, but I forget it's
we've got a Fast and Furious replica build as well.
I forget about that.
Like, we've got quite a lot going on.
Yeah.
It's not sunk in. But sincerely appreciate you guys supporting us, liking, commenting, subscribing. Make sure you share this video. Make sure you get everybody talking about it. And let's see the progress on this car.